Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I wanted to set up my Frankenplanner, which is going to include the Happy Planner Fitness Planner and Pleasantly Plans Miss Maker inserts. So I do have a flip through of this Happy Planner, and I do have some Happy Meal of all of the goodies that I received from Pleasantly Plans. So if you guys want to check those out, I will have a link down in the description box below. And remember that I do have a code, which is Stephany15, and you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase when you shop with Pleasantly Plans. So all of that information will be linked down in the description box below. So I did want to go ahead and set this up so I can start planning all of the things, and I went ahead and shopped my stash. I didn't buy anything new, so I just used what I had on hand. So I think that the first thing that I want to do is set up the main cover, which is this black cover, and this is one of their older covers, but I just love it so much. So I did want to add black metal discs as well, because the one that comes with this Happy Planner are plastic, and in my opinion, these metal ones are just the best. So I did want to go ahead and start off with this cover. And sometimes it can be a little bit hard to put on, but you kind of just have to power through it, especially because of this cover. It is a really hard cover, and I love that about this cover. It is just so durable. I've had this cover for years, so that's how good it is. Okay, so there's that, and then let me go ahead and put this one on. That way everything else is going to be just so much easier to just pop on really quick. Okay, so there we go. And then since I have it open now, I want to go ahead and add some notes pages. And I found this in my stash, and these are such just old note pages from the Happy Planner, but it's what I had on hand, so I did want to use these up. So let's see. So there's two styles in here. Let's go ahead and see what they are. Look at that Create 365 logo on there. Okay, so this one is just like dotted lined pages, and then on the back we have graph paper. Okay, so I think I may do half and half just in case, because with this fitness planner, if I ever happen to want to jot anything down, or maybe even like kind of journal for the week, I was thinking that I could do that with these note pages. So let's go ahead and pop them back here since we're already here. Oh, and actually I am missing like that other cover, so I do want to get that before I forget. But let's go ahead and quickly pop these in. And as you can see, I just love black. My nails, my shirt, like I love black. Okay, so this is the cover that I was talking about. I do want to add this one. I just feel like it's going to be really motivating just to look at every time I pick up this planner. I am determined to get my fitness on point, and I do talk about it more in my little flip through video, and like I said, it will be linked down in the description box below. But not that one. This is the back cover. Okay, okay, so there's the back. Let's go ahead and add the front before like I completely forget. Okay, so there we go. Now we have that going on. I think I'm just gonna leave that there for now. Okay, so then when I was looking through my stash, I did find these dividers from Pleasantly Planned as well, and I just love that they're thin and somewhat frosted. I love that these will not add any more bulk to your planners, so I really recommend these. And the little headers up here at the top, I got those from the Teresa Collins sticker book, which, if you know, that was from so long ago, but I can't find it right now, so I cannot switch these up. But whenever I do, I need to like update these little tabs. So I was thinking that I'll need one that will turn to the notes section over here. And actually, that wasn't even the very last one, so never mind. Let's add the correct one. Okay, so here we go. That'll take us to the notes page, and then back here I do want to add the inserts from Pleasantly Planned. So yeah, these ones right here. So this is the Miss Maker / productivity layout, and it comes in a pack of 3 months. So that was just the cover page, and then we get to the monthly view, and then the layout. So we have a little bit of like dot grid up here. I don't know if you could really see that. It is very light, but it's there. But I love that you can't really see it. It's there enough to like guide me if I have to write, but not really noticeable. And then we have we do have this like little list section, and then lines down here at the bottom. So I'm thinking that I want to use this layout as my social media planner. I was using Plum Paper's layout, but I do want to support my friend with her small shop, so I do want to use her inserts, and this is on 32-pound paper. You can choose from I believe a few paper weight, and she does have a ton of layouts available, so make sure that you guys check her website. She has so many inserts, and I love that she branched out and she is now doing inserts along with her amazing stickers. So I just love that. So then let's see, I do want to place another tab on the week that I'm going to be in. So here's that, and because these don't have any tabs for the monthly view, I thought that I would then use another one to take me to the monthly view in my social media planner, and then the current week that I'm on. So see how they're frosted and you could still see through them? That is what I love. Okay, so then the next section I want to do is the fitness section. So let's see where. Okay, so this is going to be the beginning. Okay, so let's start here with the name page, and I don't know if I want to do all of the months or just until the end of the year, because if this layout ends up working for me, the Happy Planner did release a 2023 fitness planner. So this one is undated, which is what I wanted because we're towards the end of the year. So that was perfect. But they do have a 2023 dated one coming out, and I'm thinking that I might want to purchase that if this ends up working out, because I just prefer dated layouts. That way I don't have to worry about dating them and everything is dated. So let's just go ahead and add the remaining of 2023 in here. Okay. So here is the name page. Perfect. And so I think I'll just keep this on hand somewhere nearby. And this did come with these month stickers, but as you can see, they're like foil. So I want to see if I find some black ones. That way I can just add those and they can match and they're not like shiny all over the place. So this last tab, because this one does have tabs for the monthly view and it'll take me directly there, I don't need one there, so I do need one that's going to take me straight to the weekly view. So there it is, all of the top tabs on here, and I have my fitness planner and my social media planner as well. I think this is gonna work perfect. Let's see once it's closed. Okay, I love this cover. I love it so much. And I just love how it looks with the black metal discs. I think it's just gonna be so perfect. And I think that might be it actually. Let's see. Okay, so I did find these little monthly habit trackers, and these are so old. This one is from the Healthy Hero line that came out a few years ago, and I did use a little bit of them, but as you can see, I basically have the whole thing. So I was thinking that this would be great for my fitness section. So I think I just want to grab a few of them. Let's see if I can do it without like taking everything. And actually I might just need like 4, right? Because I did only put 4. So I'm thinking with this one, I may want to track like my water intake, if I exercised, and I don't know what this last one would be. I definitely have to think about it, but when I was shopping my stash, I knew that I needed to use these. So did I want to put them up here so I don't forget? Yeah, so I'm just going to put it here for now. That way I don't forget about them if I put them all the way back in the notes section. So it's going to be right here for when I open this, because I plan to fill out this currently page. I am so bad at filling them out, but I do want to really focus on my fitness, so I do want to use this and then use these monthly habit trackers. So when I am ready to set up my monthly view, I'll go ahead and pop one of these here and have that ready to go. So stay tuned for the monthly view in my fitness planner, in my social media planner, which is gonna be back here. So the monthly view in my social media planner, as well as my weekly view in my fitness planner, and the weekly view in my social media planner as well. Okay, so I love the setup. It's nice and it's simple. I was able to shop my own stash and then maybe even build it up, because I don't know, I haven't used like this size planner in a while. Like I've used my Go Get a Girl, but not in a discount planner. So I'm hoping to build up my stash, like cute little dashboards and just all of the things for a classic size planner. I can't wait to shop around and do all of the things, but I think for now this was all that I wanted to do. It's nice and it's simple, and I'm just ready to go, and I'm super excited to get into both of these layouts. Everything will be linked down below, and I am just so ready to start using my planner. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.